All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Irving here, aka Team with Irving. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be doing our pre-week analysis for August 10 to August 14, 2020. So we are gonna still be trading with our system, multiple time frame system, how to profit trading higher time frame, tips and tricks. You better believe that. So you are trading with Team with Irving rules. Let's go. Let's get this money, guys. We are gonna actually, let me leave gold to the end because I don't want you to pay attention to gold yet. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and start with our AUD Canadian dollar. Pay attention what AUD Canadian dollars is telling us. This is what I love this system, guys. Look at here, brothers and sisters. Come in, boom! It triggered a signal. Look at this gorgeous continuation of the sell here. It's amazing. And here is the dashboard. In case you want to wonder why is that? What is that in the corner in there? Well, that is the dashboard. So I'm just gonna be giving you one pair with the dashboard, one trade without the dashboard. So that's why like that you guys can understand what's going on. But so this is what I have for you in AUD Canadian dollar. What I'm seeing here, guys, is I'm seeing a continuation of the sell position. So what do you think it's doing? I don't know. Hey guys, type number. Let me know what kind of system are you using. Comment below, so like that I will know that you whatever system you're using. Go ahead and try to match it with my system and see how accurate that system is. If it's not that accurate, well, come and join me, right? All right, so what I'm seeing here, to be honest, is I'm seeing a continuation of the trend. I'm looking maybe to retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna do a small retracement. Look at all this area here, support and resistance. All this area are gonna be coming touching here. Then the market will continues as a sell position. It's that simple, guys. I always tell you guys, do not overcomplicate this stuff. This stuff is very, very straightforward. If you know how to keep, and I want to congratulate my team, guys. To be honest, they are killing it. Let me see if I can bring a screenshot of what they're doing. They are killing it. I'm telling you, they are doing such an amazing I mean, they're doing great things, to be honest. Really amazing. I'm very proud of them. They are killing it. Some of them are getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, believe it or not. Oh, one thing before I forget, guys, let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer here. It is, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? In hundreds of pips. You better believe that. Look at this guy here, guys. Let me kind of like give you a hint. Look at this guy here. Boom. This is amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is freaking amazing. Look at this guy here. Look at that all blue pip. Boom, 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 boom. And that was taken on Friday. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, we are doing such an amazing thing. There's a lot of great things. If I had to show you all the stuff, oh my God, I'm telling you. I'm very proud of them. They are killing it. Look at this other guy here. Hold on, let me bring this up. Look at this guy. Look at using my system. Look at that, $1,000. Look, he has only 2 trades that are in negative. All of them are in blue. I'm telling you, this is trading with multiple time frame system. Let's go. You want to learn more about it? Well, send me a message. Send me a message. This is the only way. This is the team that is going to help you out. There's a join button on the gold membership. Join in there. Start watching those one-on-one that I already recorded with all the traders. Those they already paved that class for you. All you got to do is join and have full access to it. To be honest, it's that simple, guys. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me go ahead and put this one here. All right, let's go to the next one. We're going to go ahead and analyze GBP USD. Pay attention what GBP USD. This is using without the dashboard. This is what I like about this template here. This template here is clean, tell you exactly what's going on. Look at how beautiful it is, to be honest. Look at here. Sell, buy. What's going on right now? It's in a sell position. Remember, we trade with rules. We got rules behind scenes. I'm just giving you. If you think what I'm giving you here is amazing, well, you got to trade with our rules, because there are some things that I'll give you here that we don't trade. But unfortunately, I cannot release it because it takes forever for me to teach you how to do that stuff. But what the market is doing in this particular area here, I'm still looking for one or two more candles to reconfirm and continue strong sell in a position down. That is what I'm thinking the market is gonna do this particular week. The market is gonna do. All right, so that's all what I think it's gonna do. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Comment below. Look, I'm here live. You got any question? Drop it below. Because hey, that's the only way you're gonna get better, right? By asking questions. I'm always here live with you guys, trying to help you out. All right, guys, the only thing that I'm asking here in favor is, to be honest, I really need to ask you, if you are finding value of what I'm teaching you here, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you think I need to improve my AA skill for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? So tomorrow I'm gonna be analyzing the full week outlook of Forex. Let me know. Hey Irvin, can you post this pair? I want you to analyze this pair. Let me know if you are not buying or sell. It's okay if you are losing or winning. It's fine. But sometimes you need to understand. That is the only way that I'm gonna be able to help you out. And really, like I said earlier, if you want to come and join our Gold membership area, I highly recommend you to do that. That will change your AA skill. All right, and it's pretty neat, man. To be honest, it's only a couple dollars, less than a coffee a day, and boom, and you're gonna be learning how to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. It's unbelievable, man. To be honest. All right, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and let me see if someone has any questions so I can try to answer. So I will not leave anyone behind, because we are here together learning and grabbing these hundreds and hundreds of pips together, because we are one large family. All right, so this is it with our dashboard. The dashboard is telling us the market. It is giving us here all the buy and sell. Freaking amazing. Pay attention what the market is doing in this particular pair. This is the Euro USD. I sent this screenshot to my team, and I think I got in somewhere in let me kind of like tell you exactly where I got in. I think I got in somewhere in here, somewhere in there, and then I roll all this back. I don't like to hold my trades during the weekend, so I exit out. I even let them know. I say, hey, I'm exiting all my trades. This was very healthy, and I took this one late, to be honest, but that was a very healthy position that I took in here, and bingo, money on my pocket. Now look at here. What I'm seeing here? I see a 4 hours doing a small reversal, fine. But what I think the market is gonna do this week is still gonna be bearish. Most likely this candle here is gonna come and retest here. See this 23.6 Fibonacci line? So I should have put all the way the line there. So I'm looking for that position to come here. Market will continue a sell position, retesting our 50.0 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting our 28.2 Fibonacci. Then market will continue as bearish. Guys, do you have any question on this particular pair? Please comment below. Don't be shy. Remember, nobody knows you. We all here try to help you. It's okay. I don't care whatever system you are using. Go ahead, make sure, go to your system, whatever system you are using. It doesn't matter. Let me know if you have a sell position in there. Is it there, or is here telling you there's a sell? Because if it's here telling you it's a sell, it's gonna be a pullback. You need to be in a winning group. Let me know. All right. Remember, we are trading. What are we trading here, guys? Let me write it down here, because a lot of people sometimes, no matter how many times you're gonna tell it, Let me move my mouse. We are trading our multiple time frame system. This belongs to TeamWithERVING. Multiple time frame system is what you need in your chart. You want to learn more? Well, if you want to send me a message, guys, the description is on the link is on the description of this video. Send me a message. We can wrestle this together, and then we can change whatever you want to change. All right, so let me know. Comment below. Like I said, that's the only way I can help you. All right, so let me go ahead and give you the next pair, because a lot of you guys love, to be honest, you guys love gold, and that's one highly requested pair that you guys always ask. Last time I told you gold was gonna be in a sale, and then I said it's gonna do a bullish continuation, and it performed exactly what I told you. Giving it, look, oh, by the way, before I forget, guys, remember we are coming back on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna be reviewing our pre-week analysis, and then we're gonna review as well our full week analysis, which is coming tomorrow, Sunday. So that's when you guys get to see it. Look at I did the analysis yesterday. No, yesterday. I was on Wednesday. No, that was Thursday. I was late. A bit late because they were doing some renovation in my house, so I had to leave, and I didn't have no access to my whole system. So, but I gave you guys on Thursday, I gave you the full week analysis. I took 10 trades with you guys on Saturday and Sunday. If you were in that class, you know that all those 10 trades were 100% winning trades. 100%, guys. How awesome this stuff can be. But remember, my job is never to win. If I can win 100%, sure, I will be praise God, right? But my goal is to always hit 75 out of 100. If I can hit that 75 winning ratio, I will be on. Oh my God! That's why I'm renovating my house, guys, because that 75% in there is paying the bills, and it's one particular pair that I'm gonna tell you tomorrow that is paying my bills. To be honest, I love that pair, man. I really love it. So that's 75. I mean, unfortunately, it was 100% winning ratio, right? I mean, that's what you want. That's what you want. I don't know what you want, but hey, and like I said, guys, please let me know. Hey, Irving, you're doing great. Hey, Irving, can you improve this? Can you analyze the market on 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want? Let me know. Because I need you to let me know, and I will be able to help you out. And also, like I said, if you want to join our gold membership area, go for it. You will not regret it. There's amazing stuff in there. All right, let me go ahead and delete this. This is gold, right? So let's leave it in there. Who cares? It's on my way, so I have to delete it. No choice. All right, there you go. All right, so look at here. This is what I told you guys on last Sunday. To be honest, I said the market was gonna be in a bearish position, and it was. I think I told you somewhere in here, market was gonna come back, and then market was gonna be bullish. I think it was some bullish somewhere in there, and then I said market was gonna be bearish. Market pay you more than what I told you. So what am I expecting to see this week? That is the question. All right. What I'm expecting to see here on gold, because gold is still kicking butt. It's still in a very high level. So this gold been bullish for over 2 damn years, guys. 2 damn years. Market been bullish. This is what I teach you behind scene. Let me show you. Well, I don't want to delete the. But anyway, here is our sell position. Look at that. Buy position, sell position, buy position. Can you imagine? You would have write all this buy position here, right? So you would have grabbed it from the beginning. I don't like to teach people old data because old data sucks, to be honest. You would have let's say you would have got out in here. You would have got 363 pips, guys. Because I teach people how to trade from brothers to sister to brothers and sister, brothers and sister to brothers and sister, brothers and sisters to brothers and sister. Look at this, huge, amazing. Now, what I'm expecting to see in this pair here for this coming week. Remember, we are trading what? What do you think we are trading? The week of what? We are trading August 10 to the 14th. Please, guys, never trade on Sunday. Please follow the rules. Do not trade on Sundays. Sunday is bad business. There's no money in there anyway, unless if you are super pro. All right, so what I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting to see another 3 or 2 more candles before I see the fully sell conforming. I know I'm in a sell position, but I'm seeing, look at who's here. Look at this guy here. This guy is telling me, hey, Irvin, let me take a small push and get as many people as I can before I drop my ball down. And that's what I'm looking for here. So I'm looking for this sell to come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line, or either break it. Then market will do a small retracement. What do you think it's gonna do next? What do you think? Type it below, guys. Don't be shy. I'm here live, so type it below. What do you think it's gonna do next? Because look, I don't have it in here. Look, I didn't have it in here for a reason, because I wanted to ask you here live in a live session. Let me go ahead and do it. What do you think it's gonna do from here? Boom, 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 boom. What do you think it's gonna do from here? Boom! It will drop down because it is a sell position. Look, it's kind of, in my opinion, it's gonna form the MW. I mean, with the M pattern in here, and boom. What do you guys think, guys? You want to join us? Come and join us. The description of the YouTube is below. Look, I'm gonna give you guys AUD USD, Euro GBP, USD JPY. Just type it below, whatever pair you want me. Put it on the comment of the YouTube, so I can give you a shout out on Sunday when I make the video, and I say, okay, shout out to this person. I think we have Mr. Dog. I forgot the name of the person that they sent me a pair on the US peso last Sunday, and that was another winning trade as well. So remember, I took 10 trades last Sunday. Out of 10 was 10 out of 10. Perfect multiple time frame system. Well, that's, I mean, I don't know if you guys have any question. Any question, guys? Please let me know, because remember, we are here trading with what? Multiple time frame system. The best system you can ever see it on the market. All right, so if you guys don't have any other question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Guess what I'm gonna do next? Mr. Wando, I had changed the music this time, so I'm gonna give you a different one. Let's go. Let's get this money. See you tomorrow, guys. Be safe and make sure always wear your mask. Let's go. Let's get this money.